Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be carving up something new, a first time carve for me, and that's going to be a couple white-tailed deer. The plan is to carve up a doe and her fawn out of this block of pine. This is half a log right here. You know, it's probably about a foot thick, maybe 12 inches thick by just over 2 feet in width. You know, we got about 3 feet high, so hoping to get a doe and her fawn next to her. This will actually be the back of the piece, but you know, that's irrelevant. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and stick around. Alright guys, like I said, I'm going to be carving up my first deer today. I'm actually going to take it another step higher and try to carve 2 deer out of this. I'm going to be trying to carve a doe and her fawn. Now, like I said, I've never carved deer before, so this is definitely going to be a bit of a challenge. But you know what? I like to do my first time carvings here on YouTube because I want to encourage you guys to just go for it. You know, if you're learning to carve, you want to carve, or you already carve and all you do is the same thing over and over again because you think you can't do something else, just be encouraged. You know, you've got to just go for it sometimes and just try it. And if you're here for the entertainment, well, don't go very far because I'm going to fire up the chainsaws and start making sawdust. fawn. Just got them all torched. All I'm going to do next is add some black to the nose, the eyes, their hooves, and then I'll airbrush a little bit of white on the ears. It's kind of chilly out here today, so I'm going to have to move it into the shop. And while you guys are going to miss that airbrushing part, you're going to be able to see it completed. So, hang tight, let's do a magic trick. Well guys, here it is, the deer all done, all painted. I've had a bit of a change in days and a change in weather. It's starting to rain, but I've got to wrap this video up for you guys so you can enjoy these deer. I think they came out great. I'm going to go ahead and get the camera, bring it in real close so you guys can get a closer look, but be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Also, be sure to check out the links I've got below. You guys can get t-shirts through Teespring. You can buy some of my work, some of my smaller pieces through the Etsy store. Follow me on social media like Instagram. And also, I will have Amazon links so you guys can purchase similar or the same tools that I use. Again, I thank you guys for watching, and let's take a closer look at these deer.